Let's talk about AI. It feels like it's absolutely everywhere, right? It's changing how we work, how we create, and pretty much everything. But trying to keep up can feel like, I don't know, trying to drink from a fire hose. So today, we're going to break down one platform that's designed to make it all way simpler and a lot more practical. Let's get into it.
So, have you ever felt just a little bit lost with all the AI buzzwords, the constant updates, and maybe you've got that little nagging voice in your head wondering if you're falling behind? Yeah, you are so not alone. That's a super common feeling, and it's the exact problem we're going to look at today.
The whole goal here is to make a big shift. It's about moving from what we could call AI confusion, where you're just bogged down by all the complicated stuff and weird terms, and moving over to a place of AI confidence. That's where you've got real practical skills, you're actually getting more done, and you start seeing all these new doors opening up for you. That's the journey we're talking about.
So how do you actually make that leap? Well, it really helps to have a guide, right? We're going to take a look at a platform that was built specifically for that purpose.
And here it is, the Glad Coaching AI Academy. What's really interesting here is who it's for. This isn't for coders or data scientists. It's made for beginners, for entrepreneurs, for professionals, and creators. Basically, anyone who wants to use AI in their day-to-day life without having to learn a single line of code.
And behind every great mission, there's a person with a vision. The Academy was started by Gladys Osagie. She's an entrepreneur and AI educator who's really focused on helping people use this tech for actual real-world growth. It just adds that crucial human touch to the whole thing.
This really gets to the heart of what they're all about. The key words here are accessible, practical, and empowering. It's not about some high-level, abstract theory. It's about giving you tools and knowledge you can literally use right away to make a difference in your job or your business.
Okay, that all sounds really good, but what do you actually learn to do? Like, what are the real skills you'd walk away with? Let's break that down. First up, a huge one for so many of us, creating content. We're talking about using AI to help write things like social media posts, blog articles, even video scripts and marketing emails, not just doing it faster, but doing it better. This frees you up to think about the bigger picture.
Next up, productivity. Just think about all those little, boring tasks that just seem to eat up your day. Sorting through emails, summarizing long reports, planning out your schedule. The idea here is to learn how to hand all of that off to AI, which gives you back the one thing you can't make more of, your time.
Now, this is where it gets really strategic. You can learn to use AI almost like a brainstorming partner. It can help you cook up new business ideas, get a sense of the market, and even map out entire marketing campaigns. It's kind of like having a creative genius on call 24/7.
And it's not just about having great ideas, right? The goal is to help you take those ideas and actually build something real with them. You can learn how AI can help create digital products, think ebooks or online courses, or even help you structure brand new services you can offer to clients. So, when you start combining all of these new skills, you're making content more efficiently, you're automating tasks, you're coming up with brilliant strategies, and you're building actual products, what do you get? Well, you get the potential for completely new streams of income. This is about using AI not just to work smarter, but to create brand new financial opportunities for yourself.
So we know what you'll learn, but what about how you learn it? Is this going to be some crazy steep technical learning curve? Well, the whole approach here is designed to be the exact opposite of that.
It's all broken down into 3 really simple stages. First, you get practical tutorials that literally show you which buttons to click on, the most useful AI tools. Second, there's step-by-step guidance, so you never feel lost or wonder what to do next. And maybe most important of all is the immediate implementation. You can learn a skill in the morning and be applying it to your own projects that very same afternoon. It's all about taking action.
Now, let's just zoom out for a second. Why does any of this matter right now? Well, it's really about securing your place in a world that is changing incredibly fast. I want to let that one sink in for a moment. This is such a fundamental shift in how we need to think. The goal isn't to try and outsmart or outwork the machines. The real goal is to become an expert collaborator, to be the person who knows how to guide AI to get amazing results.
So, this all brings us to a little moment of reflection for you. Are you ready to learn these tools one step at a time? Are you ready to see how AI can totally transform your productivity, maybe unlock new ways to make money, and just plain stay ahead of the curve in this new economy?
Because that's really the big takeaway, isn't it? This isn't science fiction anymore. The future of how we all work is being built as we speak with these very tools.
So the only question that's really left is, are you ready for it?